Bitcoin, crypto in a decisive moment. What? You wanna learn the last information about the crypto world, price predictions, and much more? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news, fun on the right, crypto a tope. We are happy, we are in a decisive moment. Bitcoin keeps on going up, bulls and bears are fighting for it, but we just had another all-time high since 1st of January 2023. We broke the line and we are to $23,800 and we are just knocking at the door of $24,000 when the line for $23,000 is the one that is being the resistance and support right now. So important holding that. Remember, we talked past video about the gap and the course it has for Bitcoin, and as we advise, but we are not financial advisors, not experts, but we guess, and we guessed okay this time, and the gaps were filled. Those two were filled already. But what's going to happen with this other one that will bring us to 19,800? Well, I think it will eventually close, maybe because of the descending wedge we talked in past videos. Remember our roadmap for Bitcoin, now down to 21,600 1st of February, then up to 25,000 in Valentine's Day, and then down again to 19,800 at around March, 8th March, something like that. Maybe this is what Bitcoin will do, maybe not. We'll see it here in Crypto News Fun on the right. Remember the moving average of 50 in the monthly, and we broke it with the wick of the candle, and also the death cross that we're going to have with Bitcoin, also the RSI indicator. We are in the same point as in past videos where we talk also about the buy signal of hash ribbons. So all of that is in past videos, the same as the cycles of the halving for Bitcoin and the concerns we have about the 1st of February, where the Fed has to decide whether rising rates or not. But today the news are that $1.48 billion worth of Bitcoin expired in those options, and that's so important today for the price of Bitcoin. Some experts believe that those guys that bet that Bitcoin was going to be lower than we are right now, they are trying to push Bitcoin down so they don't lose so much with their options. So if that's true, maybe tomorrow price will skyrocket for Bitcoin. That's a possibility, but remember these stairs of the Fed and their decisions with the rates. We are in the top step right now, but I predict that we might go to the middle first and eventually to the lower part of this channel. Also remember about the new Chinese year, and today we talk about after that date. Remember, we talk about this 9 days after it, we dropped 25% in 2022, and 9 days after in 2021, we dropped 26%. Is this a coincidence or not? If so, well, Sunday, Monday, we're going to go down 25%. We'll see about that. But if we consider the past two occasions, there we keep on going up for 19 days. Not 9, but 19. And that time we fell once 12% and the other time was 62%. This is what we want to avoid. So watch next videos and we will follow the path of the 19 or the path of the 9 days for Bitcoin. Dollar is flat today. That's why Bitcoin is not going further up. And about the Standard & Poor's 500, well, we found support here and we are going higher. So maybe that's a good sign for Bitcoin. Elon Musk believes in Bitcoin and he didn't sell with Tesla any Bitcoin this time. Remember, they sold 75% of its holdings in the second quarter, but this time at 31st December, the holdings were $184 million in digital assets, which is awesome because that means that they trust, they believe in Bitcoin. As does a senator in Arizona, United States, is pushing a bill to recognize Bitcoin as legal tender in the state. That would be so awesome. As it is awesome that with AI, ChatGPT now knows that Bitcoin will end central banking and fiat currency. There's this guy having a conversation with ChatGPT, asking the chat how to end central banking, and the chat talks about education and awareness, implementing maybe gold standard, promoting alternative currencies, reducing government spending, and changing public perception. But going with the conversation further, the chat says we need decentralized finance, DeFi, which is good, that would end fiat, and which is the best way? Well, the best way is Bitcoin. So congratulations for ChatGPT learning this. And remember that if you are interested in AI news, we have these new channels. This is a snippet. You have all those links in the description, and there you're going to find AI news, where we have more than 100 users, 100 riders interested in artificial intelligence. So cool. Back to crypto. We are in the red in the market. The bubbles in the red are in the green. So we have both. And today I bring you coinparticle.com, which is different from cryptobubbles.net. Which one you prefer? You can see there that we have some pumps, in this case with Theta Fuel and Theta Network. So there's something going on there, probably some type of incentive. Be careful with the dumps, as Optimist is going down, and that's because with Optimist the incentives just ended with this program NFT, and now this is something so concerning, because we need people using cryptocurrencies because they really need it, not because they are incentivized by a program, as I believe is happening with Theta right now, and eventually it will dump. So be careful with that. Ethereum heading the 1000 line. We don't like that. Good news for Aave, that is going to launch the third version for the lending protocol on Ethereum. And good news for Cardano, reaching to the line 0.45. And next week we just get to know that we might have the stable coin for Cardano, the Jet. So we'll see how that affects the market. If you have some other come to Cardano on the right ticket, fun on with your staking, as this rider just did with 5,600 ADA. Thank you very much. In the day that we are not in fear in the market, we are not neutral in the market anymore, but we are in greed. This is the first time, and I can't remember when. So that's so awesome. Even though we have some concerns, today we knew that SBF allegedly used FTX money to invest $400 million in an obscure VC firm. Also, we knew that Binance and Galaxy Digital are among the secret bidders for Celsius. So money there compromised. And with Celsius, we have very bad news that a judge also denied motions from Celsius users seeking to reclaim assets. So he said that again, the funds were not yours anymore once you put them in Celsius, but from the platform, which is bad for your hopes or having your money back. We'll see about that. Also, Coinbase, they are angry. They disagree with the $4 million fine they had from the Dutch central bank because allegedly they were operating 2 years without being regulated. We'll see about that. And also bad news for Robinhood, their Twitter account that is verified, so you can't trust anymore. Elon Musk, what are you doing? You can't trust the blue thing anymore. And they are scamming people. So again, be careful, even though you believe that it's myself talking to you or maybe an official account, because the hackers know how to trick you. And if you want to be safe or safer, just need a Ledger Nano S Plus, X, or Stacks. Go to funontheright.com, Crypto Safety, where you have a lot of courses. and you can buy with our link and help the channel. Thank you very much. Legends that are now playing, racing in the metaverse, good luck with that. You can see that, you can watch that on Twitch. And if you want to watch crypto news live, well, you can also go to our channel in Twitch, where more than 12,000 riders are watching us daily if they want. You can ask me whatever you want. Back to Binance and the chat, and right now keeps flat, which is for me a good sign. And it's a good sign that we are beyond $4 billion in the DeFi ecosystem. Remember, ports, they had to close their NFTs. Well, the ones remaining did a 4x. Crazy up for NFTs. Beware of speculations. And thank you everybody for sharing with me interesting things, like Franco that sent me this first advertising AR campaign in Santa Fe, Argentina. Thank you very much. Also to Soy Mariano Villa Value that shared with us his song about economy and about somehow Bitcoin and how this can solve most of our trouble. Follow him, so cool. Thank you very much. And if you are interested in music and also in Valentine's Day, it doesn't matter where are you in the world, you can buy a personalized song from our friends in Canciona, and you're gonna have 20 euros discount if you use the coupon Fun on the Right 20. If you want to buy a more expensive song and you prefer a 10% discount, just use the code Fun on the Right. Fun on the Right, 10% discount, Fun on the Right 20 euros for your song. But you have to run because this is the Valentine's campaign and it's going to end. You don't know what to give as a present? Well, a song for the whole life is the thing that is gonna make you win this time. And you have some work, some homework today. You have to go to Bitbase website because it's new and it's awesome. You need to learn all about the stores and ATMs and how to buy crypto in their site. Bitbase.es, do not miss that out. And now with the cats, these are buying already in the site. This is for me. Well, then I will buy this. Well, I will buy some more. This guy also wants to buy, and the other tries to keep it. And the guy in the back is Peter Shift and doesn't like crypto, and everybody's mad at him. What about this one? Is so interested in the crypto space, but sometimes this is hard and it's falling asleep in a very bad situation. As this guy, so cute, that wants to sleep now, as does this guy with an awesome bed for cats. We have no more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to Fun on the Right. If you want more in English, just wait for the next crypto news in Fun on the Right. Health, money, love, party in peace, the best is yet to come, and crypto a tope. To the